and 1 or 2 questions, perhaps 4th or 5th, I left for you as homework. Please complete them. Please do solve them. 6th question should be discussed now. Sujal, will you read 6th question? Sujal Bunia. And I request each and everyone that please sit with your notebook, textbook. If you don't have notebook or textbook, it means you're not serious. You're not a serious student. So be serious. Keep writing, keep solving with me. Sujal, it seems not there. Edwin will read question 6th.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Without using the Pythagoras theorem, show that the points 4, 4, 3, 5, and minus 1, 1 are the vertices of a right angled triangle.
Okay, so without using Pythagoras theorem, I have to show that 3 points are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Can you tell me all those 3 points?
So 4, 4,
4,
4,
4,
and 3, 5.
Yes.
And minus 1, minus 1.
Minus 1, minus 1. There are 3 points, and we have to show that these 3 points form a right angled triangle. Your suggestion, Edwin? Your suggestion?
So no suggestion.
No suggestion? How to prove it right? This is class 10th question. I feel it can be done. Even class 9th students also should be able to do it. Yes.
So then.
Huh? And they are asking without using Pythagoras theorem. Yes. So Pythagoras, yes, Edwin. Pythagoras theorem, if we use, then certainly we can find distances AB, BC, and CA, and we can check that Pythagorean identity is getting satisfied or not. But without using Pythagoras theorem, how to do? I have, right angle triangle की खासियत होती है कि उसमें कोई एक angle 90 degree होगा. And yesterday, while discussing slopes or angle between 2 lines, we discussed the concept that if 2 lines are perpendicular, then what happens? What is perpendicularity condition?
M1, M2 equals to minus 1.
Yes, we discussed that their slopes, if you multiply, this will be minus 1, where M1 and M2 are the slopes of 2 lines. So let us get the slope of all the 3 line segments and check whose multiply is minus 1. So slopes, let us calculate slope of AB. Let it be M of AB. This will be equal to, what is the formula of slope, students?
So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
Yes, yes. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of AB will be 5 minus 4 whole upon 3 minus 4, which will be minus 1. M of BC will be how much? BC minus 1 minus 5 divided by minus 1 minus 3.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. And M of CA, it will be 4 plus 1 whole upon 4 plus 1.
It will be 1.
1. So I can see that these two, if you multiply, the multiplication is minus 1. So which angle should be 90? So which angle should be 90 degree?
Sir, A.
Yes, AB is perpendicular to CA. From this, the result is, conclusion is that AB is perpendicular to CA. It means angle A is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right. So with using slopes, we have done it. This could have been solved with the concept of Pythagoras theorem easily, but they are asking not to use. Next question पे चलते हैं. Deepal, are you there? Listening me? Question 7th, will you read?
Yes, sir.
Deepal, 7th question, please read. And all the students, please keep completing these all questions. Yes, Deepal.
Find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 30 with the positive of y-axis.
With the positive y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is positive y-axis. So from this, the line is subtending 30 degree. This is 30 degree given. But slope, what was the formula in terms of angle? Slope M is equal to tan theta it was. What was theta? Deepal? Or any student, what was theta in this slope formula?
Angle with x-axis.
Angle with x-axis, and precisely speaking, positive x-axis. So this is given, I want this angle. How much it will be?
150.
Yes.
120.
150.
If this is 30, this is going to be 30 because they are which two angles? Equal and opposite angles. And this will be 90. So this is going to be 90 plus 30, 120. So
120.
yes, so slope is going to be 120 degree. Tan 120, how to calculate? Tan 180 minus 60 minus tan 60, coordinate trigonometric formula.
Minus root 3.
Yes. So coordinate geometry में trigonometry concepts भी use हो सकते हैं और हो रहे हैं. Correct. Simple question. So in this exercise, very basic questions are there to make you learn the concept of slope, equation of line, etc. Sanvi, question 8th, please. Sanvi, question 8th, please.
Yes, sir. Find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1 comma 2 and comma 1 and 4 comma 5 are collinear.
Check, I have written correct on board.
Yes, sir.
So we are given that these 3 points are collinear. So collinear means क्या किया जाए?
Equal slopes.
Slope of AB equal to slope of BC.
Slope will be equal. Correct. Slope will be equal. But equal slope is guarantee that they are parallel. Yesterday we learned that M1 equal to M2. It will imply that lines are parallel. देखते हैं फिर आगे क्या करेंगे. पहले slope निकाला जाए. Let me give the names A, B, and C. And in slope of AB, it will be as per the formula y2 minus y. Y2 minus 1 minute. Yes. So this MF AB will be 1 plus 1 whole upon 2 minus x. And slope of BC will be 5 minus 1 whole upon 4 minus 2. It will be 4 upon 2 means 2. AB will be parallel to BC. When they are collinear, then AB will be parallel to BC, or slope of AB will be same as slope of BC. Equate them and you will get the value of x.
X equal to 1.
Yes, 2 minus x equal to 1, which means x equal to 1. Correct. तो हमने ये जाना कि लाइंस पैरेलल हो और कोलिनियरिटी में भी वही कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई होगा बिकॉज़ कोलिनियर लाइंस विल आल्सो बी पैरेलल ओनली इक्वेट द स्लोप्स m1 इक्वल टू m2 एंड परपेंडिकुलर है तो m1 m2 इक्वल टू -1. अच्छी बात है. इट वाज क्वेश्चन 8. 9th क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ चलते हैं. धनंजय, आर यू देयर? नो, he didn't speak while answering the attendance. No. Devanshi Mishra will read the next 9th question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Without using distance formula, show that points -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, and 3 and -3, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram.
-2, comma?
-3, 2. So -3, 2
Okay.
are the vertices of parallelogram.
Are the vertices of a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this they are asking without using distance formula. Let me give the names A, B, C, D. तो your suggestion क्या किया जाए, सानवी? ये एक
So
कोई
then slope of AB should be equal
So
to
by finding
yes, parallelogram one definition is the opposite sides are equal, but to get the side length I have to get the distance, so I have to apply a distance formula. They are asking don't use distance formula. So one more definition of parallelogram is there, that opposite lines are parallel, and to prove parallel we need to prove that their slopes are equal. So let us find the slopes of all the line segments, all sides m of AB, and mutually 2 will be equal. M of AB will be 0 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2.
1/6.
Yeah. M of BC will be 3 minus 0 upon 3 minus 4, which means minus 3. M of CA will be, CD will be 2 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 3. It will be minus 1 upon
1/6.
1/6. And M of DA, it will be minus 1 minus 2 whole upon minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 equal, right? M of AB is same as M of CD, and M of BC is same as M of, so M of AB is equal to M of CD. It means that AB is parallel to CD, and M of BC is equal to M of DA. It means that BC is parallel to DA. So A, B, C, D. Hello. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Or these are the vertices of a parallelogram. This is proof. Kuldeep Swarnakar, will you read 10th question? Yes, Kuldeep.
Yes, sir. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2.
Find the angle between
The x-axis and the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2.
So the line joining these 2 points AB, if you join, इस लाइन का x एक्सिस से क्या एंगल बन रहा है वो मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यू सी दैट स्लोप हैज 2 फॉर्मूला. m is also equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and if it makes theta angle with the x axis, then this is also equal to tan theta. So equate these two. So tan theta will be equal to, and use this formula, minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 whole upon 4 minus 3. So this is going to be 1, right? No, minus 1. Minus 1. So how to get theta? Like this.
Minus 1045.
Minus 1045 minus you bring inside. You should know that tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So tan 180 minus 45 will be quite same as minus tan 45. And this is tan 135.
135.
So this line makes 135 degree angle with positive x-axis, right? This can be written as answer. This line makes 135 degree with positive x-axis, or simply x-axis. Question 11th, Nilesh, are you there? Will you read question 11th? Nilesh Nogia.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nilesh, book है तुम्हारे पास? Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Question number 11th, will you read? Yes.
Yes, sir. A line passes through x1, y1 and h, k. The slope of the line is m. Show that k minus y1 equals to m h minus x1.
No, 11th question I think we have not done.
Sorry, sir.
11th.
The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line.
Okay, 1 minute. So slope of one line is double of slope other line. If their slopes are m1, m2, it means m1 is equal to 2m2. Okay, next.
If tangent of the angle between them is 1/3, find
Yeah.
the slope of the line.
Okay, so tan theta, the angle, if suppose theta is the angle between them, then tan theta is given 1/3. right? For the angle between two lines, we have written a formula yesterday. Anyone remembers what is the formula in the class? What is the formula? Nilesh, you remember tan theta formula yesterday, angle between two lines. No response. Edwin Joseph, yes.
Sir, M2 minus M1 divided by 1 plus M1 M2.
Yes, M2 minus M1 kahiye, yeah, M1 minus M2 doesn't matter, divided by 1 plus M1 M2 and its magnitude tan theta. And this is given 1 by 3. Right. So if you, it suffices to take only a positive sign. And if you put the value, M1 is equal to 2M2. So, and cross multiply. मैंने सिर्फ पॉजिटिव साइन लिया है, मुझे लगता है कि माइनस साइन लेने से भी मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट आंसर्स शायद ना मिले, बट लेट अस सी. माइनस m2 upon 1 plus 2m2 square is equal to 1 by 3, which means 2m2 square plus 1 minus equals to minus 3m2, which means 2m2 square plus 3m2 plus 1 equal to 0. Factorization. Which means 2m2 plus 1 into m2 plus 1 equals 0. So m2 equal to minus 1 by 2 or m2 equal to minus 1. Similarly, then m1 will be, m1 is just double of it. So m1 is double of it means m1 is minus 1 or m1 will be double of this, minus 2. Either this set of answer or this set of answer. Hai na? Students, if I take a negative sign, will I get any other answer? What you say? Is this the correct answer given? Find the slopes of line. These are the slopes.
Sir, आप अगर negative लोगे तो ये positive आ जाएगा sir.
Yes.
अगर आप negative ले रहे हो तो M1 और M2 के positive आ जाएगा.
Positive आएगा. So that also should be acceptable. That also, if I take a negative sign, modulus, if you remove plus minus take comes. So if this is case 1, then case 2 is you take negative sign. So m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m2 m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3, putting m1 equal to 2m2. So m2 minus 2m2 upon 1 plus 2m2 square equal to minus 1 by 3. So this will give you 2m2 square plus 1 is equal to 3m2. So 2m2 square minus 3m2 plus 1 equal to 0. So if I factorize, what will come? 2m2 square minus 2m2 minus m2 plus 1 equal to 0, or 2m2 minus 1 into how much? m2 minus 1 equals 0. So m2 equal to, you said right, 1 by 2 or 1, and m1 is double of it. So m1 will be 1 or 2. So check the answer. I am getting 4 sets of answer. Is this right, students? I hope it should be right. Check the answer. Edwin, you only check. Is this right? Edwin, my dear, please check. Students, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Answer?
Yes.
All 4 sets of answer, right? All are
Yes, sir.
acceptable? Okay. So keep in mind, then when I remove modulus, on the other side, I'll do plus minus. So In one case I have taken plus sign, in the other case I have taken minus sign. Can you see? Minus. This is minus. है ना? So please write both the cases, students. Moving towards the next question. Next question, someone, Netra, will you read the next question? 13th.
Yes, sir.
नेत्रा, ये समझ में आया ये वाला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 13th, please you read.
Sir, 12th or 13th?
Sorry, 12th. I'm sorry, 12th. Yes.
A line passes through x1, y1
Okay.
and h, comma k.
H, comma k.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If the slope of the line is m, then show that k minus y1 equals to m h minus x1.
आ जाएगा. M will be how much, Netra? If I apply that y2 minus y1 formula upon x2 minus, what should be M? M will be slope. What should be slope of this line? Line joining these 2 points. Slope will be
k minus y1
minus y1
divided by h minus x1.
Yes. और जो आपको प्रूफ करना है वो आप देख लीजिए. वो लाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? सिंपल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई.
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply will give you this. ठीक है. I think both the things are taken in one side, है ना? So what is written? K minus
y1 equals to m h minus x1.
बस हो गया सर.
हो गया ना? यही लाना था ना?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So super easy, super simple. Simply cross multiply. 13th question, please see. 13th question. Piyush, are you there? Will you read 13th? Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Piyush, please read 13th question. मुझे सजेस्ट भी करना कि कैसे करें. बोलो.
Yes, sir. If 3 points h, 0, a, b and 0, k lie on a line, then show that a upon h plus b upon k is equal to 1.
तो क्या किया जाए? तुम your suggestion.
The slope of these points are equal.
Yes.
Slope are equal, so we can use m1 equals to m2.
Yes. So एक कोलिनियर वाला क्वेश्चन हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं कि जिसमें हमने स्लोप्स इक्वल करा दिए थे. यहाँ पे भी वही काम करते हैं कि I have given the name ABC. So let me get the slope of AB and then I'll get the slope of BC and I will equate. Then I'll see what to do. Slope of AB, m of AB, m in suffix I have written AB, will be equal to, AB slope will be b minus 0 whole upon a minus h, and slope of BC will be mbc equal to k minus b whole upon 0 minus a. And since AB is parallel to BC, because collinear means they are certainly parallel, right? It's quite obvious. So m of AB, the slopes can be equated, it will be equal to m of BC. And if you equate them, you'll get b upon a minus h equal to k minus b upon minus a. Now you can suggest what should be done. I am cross multiplying them. Minus ab equals to, completely I multiply ak minus ab minus hk plus hb. What should be done? Minus ab gets cancelled. Then what more? Because plus is there everywhere, so negative term I'm shifting on the other side. hk equals to ak plus hb. Then shall I divide by hk? Divide करा रहा हूँ hk से. Dividing by hk. So 1 is equal to a upon h plus b upon k. And this is what you had to prove. A upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. Simple. है ना? So here what we have done, we have equated two slopes. Any two slopes can be equated. I have taken AB and BC slopes. You can take AB and AC slopes. Doesn't matter. All right. Any other suggestion, students? This question can be done by one more method. Of course, they are quite equivalent. कोई है बात किसी के मन में? कोई बोल सकता है कि
इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म
डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला? हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। कोलिनियरिटी प्रूफ करने में डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला भी है कि सम ऑफ एनी टू लाइन सेगमेंट शुड बी इक्वल टू थर्ड लाइन सेगमेंट, वहां से भी आने चाहिए। इसके कई मेथड्स हैं इनफैक्ट। डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, section formula is also a method you must have used in your 9th or 10th classes, right? You can that if they are collinear, then one point let divides the line segment joining other two in case to 1 ratio, then equate and get b coordinates in terms of k. Then both the coordinates you equate and get the values of k. x coordinate से k की एक वैल्यू, y coordinate से की दूसरी वैल्यू, दोनों को इक्वेट करने से ये बात आ जाएगी जो आपको प्रूफ करना है, वो भी यूजफुल है। स्लोप का तो आपने देख ही लिया। एक और है इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन कॉन्सेप्ट इज आल्सो कि फर्स्ट सेकंड मेथड, equation of AB. Students, do you remember equation of line passing through 2 points? Someone remember what is the formula? This is the formula. This. Use this formula and write equation of AB. So equation of AB will be y minus 0 equal to b minus 0 whole upon a minus h into x minus h. Right, this is equation of AB. And now because C point also lies on the same line, so C point will satisfy this line. C 0 comma k will satisfy this equation. Since C 0 comma k lies on this line, so it will satisfy this equation. Satisfy this equation means in place of x and y you put 0 comma k respectively. So y की जगह पे k रख रहा हूं and x की जगह पे 0 रख रहा हूं. Simplify and this will give you ka minus kh equal to minus bh. Exchanging the sides, hk the other side I am sending, so ak plus bh equal to hk, and divide by hk, it will give you a upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. Right? How? Dividing by hk. Of course दोनों ही methods equivalent हैं, कोई खास फर्क नहीं है। इसमें हमने दोनों के स्लोप्स इक्वेट कर दिए, इसमें हमने पहले इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन जॉइनिंग 2 पॉइंट्स निकाला जो कि ये आया, एंड बिकॉज द थर्ड पॉइंट आल्सो लाइज ऑन द सेम लाइन, तो दैट हैज टू सैटिस्फाई द गिवन इक्वेशन, पुट करा दिया x और y के जगह पे. सो दिस आल्सो इज अ वे. It was question number 13th, 14th question, please see. Somebody read. Subhashini, will you read 14th question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Consider the following population and year graph. Find the slope of the line AB and using it, find what will be the population in the year 2010.
Students, you can see on your screen, I'm presenting the screen, this textbook, or in your textbook you see how to do it. They are saying one line is given and it is a graph of population in different years. So you can see in 1985 certain population is there, 1990 like this, and 2 points are given on the line, 1985 comma 92, capital A point. It shows that in 1985 the population was 92. So population is shown on y-axis. Y coordinate is population and x coordinate is year. They are asking what will be the population in the year 2000. So point corresponding to 2010, it will be 2010 comma y, suppose. If I draw the graph on board, it will look like this. Subhashini, can you repeat the points? Can you tell the points which are given on the line?
Yes, sir. 1985, comma 92.
This is 14th question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1985, comma.
92.
Yes, and B point.
1995, comma 97.
Comma 97.
97.
And these are 97, 92 or what? Million. Huh? What is the unit? Lakh or what?
Population in crores.
Crores. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So मुझे निकालना है 2010 में. 2010. Let us suppose y. What should be the way? क्या किया जाए? Any student?
सर पहले स्लोप ऑफ ए बी निकालेंगे.
हाँ, यही जो पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया यही कर सकते हैं. दोनों मेथड्स में से कोई भी स्लोप्स निकाल लीजिए ए बी और बी सी के इक्वेट करा दीजिए. सो वही कर रहा हूँ. एम ऑफ ए बी इक्वल्स टू एम ऑफ बी सी. आपको जिस भी अदर मेथड से अच्छा लगे आप उससे कर सकते हैं. एम ऑफ ए बी विल बी 97 minus 92 whole upon 1995 minus 1985 equals to m of bc y minus 97 whole upon 210 minus 1995. So simplify this and tell me what will come. 97 minus 92 is 5
So
upon
it is
10.
equal to 1 by 2.
ये कितना हो गया? 10 years, 15 years. So y minus 97 equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means 7.5. So y is equal to 97 plus 7 is 104. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
So you can write in words your answer that the population in the year whichever 2010 it was 104.5. 104.5 crore population. So this was question number last 14th of exercise 10.1. We just begin 10.2. 10.2 also let us see, and then we will continue it on the next turn. So someone please read in the class. Pranjal Nahar, will you read 10.2 first question? Pranjal Nahar, are you listening me? It seems Pranjal Nahar is not there. Anyone else? Yasmin, will you?
Yes, sir.
Yasmin, 10.2 exercise. And all the students see, I also can show you by presenter screen. Yes, please read first question.
In exercises 1 to 8, find the equation of the line which satisfy the given condition.
Okay.
First,
one.
write the equations for the x and y axis.
Yes. What can you tell, Yasmin? What are the equation of x and y axis? X axis का equation क्या होता है?
0, y.
X axis equation is y equal to 0 and y axis equation is x equal to 0. Similarly, question number 2, 3, 4, 5 are also quite simple. I request you all to please give them a try. Right? That's all. We are concluding this class today. Thank you for attending this class.